Ever wondered what it's really like to be a truck driver? Sure, it sounds adventurous, but there's a lot more to it than open roads and endless horizons. The life of a trucker is filled with challenges that most people never see. Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 fears that keep truckers up at night. From the constant pressure of meeting tight deadlines to the isolation of being away from family for weeks on end, the road is fraught with unseen dangers. So buckle up, because we're about to navigate the often overlooked world of truck driving. Imagine driving through a storm with zero visibility, or the anxiety of finding a safe place to rest for the night. And trust me, it's a lot more harrowing than you might think. The fear of accidents, the stress of mechanical failures, and the constant vigilance required to stay safe on the road are just the tip of the iceberg. Join us as we explore these fears and more, shedding light on the true grit and resilience required to be a truck driver. Coming in at number 10, we got accidents and collisions. You're hauling a heavy load, sharing the road with countless other vehicles, and things can go south in a heartbeat. Lives lost, livelihoods ruined. It's a heavy weight to carry, knowing that one wrong move could lead to disaster. Number 9 on our list is fatigue and burnout. Imagine spending 10, 12, sometimes even 14 hours a day behind the wheel. The monotony, the pressure, the lack of sleep, it takes a toll, and when you're exhausted, mistakes happen. At number 8, we've got road rage and aggressive drivers. Imagine dealing with that aggression when you're driving a vehicle the size of a small house. It's a recipe for disaster, and it's a fear that's always lurking in the back of their minds. Number 7 on our list is mechanical failures. These rigs are complex machines, and when something goes wrong, it can go wrong in a big way. A breakdown can mean lost time, lost money, and even lost lives. Coming in at number 6, we got adverse weather conditions. Truckers don't always have the luxury to pull over and wait out a storm. Driving through blizzards, torrential downpours, and blinding fog is a fear that makes your palms sweat and your heart race. Number 5 on our list is cargo theft and security. These trucks are hauling millions of dollars worth of goods, making them a prime target for thieves. Truckers' safety is always on the line, especially when criminals are often armed and dangerous. Number 4 on our list is isolation and loneliness. Spending days, weeks, even months on the road, away from family and friends, can take a toll on anyone's mental health. That kind of isolation can lead to depression, anxiety, even suicidal thoughts. Number 3 on our list is health issues. Truck drivers face a myriad of health challenges that can significantly impact their quality of life and career longevity. The trucker lifestyle is tough on the body. Long hours of sitting, unhealthy food options, and constant stress. These factors contribute to a range of physical health problems. We're talking about heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure. These conditions are exacerbated by the sedentary nature of the job and limited access to healthy food. Sleep apnea is another common issue, often caused by irregular sleep patterns and poor sleeping conditions. This can lead to chronic fatigue and other serious health complications. The isolation and pressure can also lead to mental health problems. Depression, anxiety, and loneliness are prevalent among truck drivers, making it crucial to address both physical and mental health. Number 2 on our list is financial struggles. Fluctuating fuel prices, unexpected breakdowns, and a constantly changing regulatory environment can make it tough to make ends meet. The fear of financial instability is a constant worry for many truckers. And the number 1 fear of truck driving is regulatory compliance. Hours of service limits, weight restrictions, emission standards. It's a labyrinth of rules. Violating these rules can lead to hefty fines, license suspensions, even jail time. So, the next time you see a big rig rumbling down the road, take a moment to think about the journey that truck and its driver have been on. Remember this: there's a man or a woman behind that wheel, battling fatigue, navigating treacherous conditions, and often driving through the night to meet tight deadlines. They face a whole lot of fear, from unpredictable weather to the constant pressure of staying on schedule. Every mile they drive is a testament to their resilience and dedication. They're the unsung heroes of the American economy, working tirelessly to ensure that the goods we rely on make it to their destinations. From food and clothing to electronics and medical supplies, they haul the essentials. They keep our lives running smoothly. Hauling the goods, they keep our shelves stocked and our lights on. These drivers spend long hours on the road, often away from their families, to make sure we have what we need. So, the next time you see a big rig, give them a wave, give them some space, and give them your respect. A simple gesture can go a long way in acknowledging their hard work and sacrifice. Until next time, stay safe out there, folks. And remember, every truck you see is a lifeline to the goods and services we often take for granted. Let's show our appreciation for these road warriors who keep America moving. While the challenges of long-haul trucking are many, the rewards can be just as profound. For those who thrive on independence and adventure, the open road offers a sense of freedom that few other careers can match. The camaraderie among truckers creates a unique sense of community, with friendships forged over countless miles and shared experiences. Every successful delivery brings a sense of accomplishment, knowing that you've played a crucial role in keeping the economy moving. There are also financial rewards, with competitive pay and opportunities for growth within the industry. For many truckers, the job isn't just a means to an end. It's a way of life that brings purpose and fulfillment. As we celebrate the contributions of long-haul truckers, let's also recognize the joy and satisfaction that comes from a job well done. To all the truckers out there, we thank you for your dedication and hard work. Your journey is truly inspiring, and your impact is felt far and wide